Before the doors could be closed, there was a significant logistical challenge. 23 patients at the Northwest Regional Hospital and the Northwest Private had to be moved to new facilities.
The actions that we've taken are unprecedented. I don't think any Premier ever in the history of this state has had to ask so many people to do so much.
The Premier's also reached out to the federal government for help ahead of the so-called super clean of the site.
To provide further resources, and we will see an AUSMAT team, an Australian Medical Assistance team, key leaders supported by the ADF coming into the state over the course of this week.
While the hospital is still a hive of activity, the streets of Burnie are eerily quiet. Stage 4 restrictions in the northwest have seen most remaining retailers close.
That's going to take years to fix this economic impact. It is scary as hell.
Around 1,000 healthcare workers have now entered mandatory isolation. So too have their families and those recently discharged from the hospitals, meaning around 5% of the Northwest Coast population are in quarantine. Among them, Brent Jago and his partner, who had a new baby less than a week ago.
We were just pretty worried last night when there was reports that people on the maternity ward had tested positive. A doctor put a Facebook post out.
It's understood one coronavirus case has links to maternity services. Smithton resident Cassidy Tackley is 38 weeks pregnant with her second child.
Incredibly nervous at the moment, just waiting for phone calls, I guess, to answer some questions that we have. Not really sure what the go is. I know that we're definitely not, if we go in the next 2 weeks, we're not going to Burnie.
The Launceston General Hospital is picking up the slack and already under significant strain, according to nurses.
We've heard from members overnight that there's a real concern in terms of workloads now with patients presenting from the Northwest Coast. We called yesterday on the department to implement additional resources to support staff in the LGHED. To date, we understand from members they haven't been implemented, and we'll be following up on that today.
Most Northwest patients have been transferred to the Mersey Community Hospital, including 4 with coronavirus.
We have additional aeromedical support provided. We also have, across the Northwest Coast, an additional 10 GP practices, which is 20 GPs that will be open today and tomorrow to support medical support.
More testing clinics are also opening in the northwest, including a drive-through centre in Burnie. An average of 80 people are being tested in the region each day.
I think we really need to push the testing up, so I think if we can get the testing up to 200 to 300 people a day in the northwest, that would be the sort of level of testing that I think would give us some assurance.
It's hoped the emergency department at the Northwest Regional Hospital will reopen Wednesday morning. A team of 35 AUSMAT staff, specially trained in disasters, will man it.
We will be able to provide everything from basic emergency department presentations right through to the more serious ones.
With 5 Tasmanians having lost their lives to COVID-19, their work couldn't be more important.
I think that there will be more deaths to come in coming days, and we need to ready ourselves for that.
Annah Fromberg, ABC News.